Shivraj Anand, I'm the Director of International Business at Parijat Industries. For those of you who know, Parijat is a 20-year-old company, first generation in agrochemicals globally. We export across 50 countries and I head sales and operation in all of these markets. From every stretch of imagination, Parijat should not have been a successful company. We're first generation. My grandfather used to work for Ballarpur. His brothers were lawyers. There was not a drop of business acumen within the family. Nobody in the family studied chemistry. And frankly, if it was not for Dogged Tenacity, we would not be where we are today. We didn't have the chemical knowledge, we didn't have the capital. But here we are. Today we employ over 800 people. We're present across 50 countries and we're one of the largest and fastest growing agrochemical companies in the country. So it's been a lifetime of Dogged Tenacity. First, it was a thirst for getting regulatory knowledge, getting regulatory understanding of markets, going into markets where typically you'd have no Indians. We're present in Mali, we're present in Togo, we're present in Georgia. These are countries most people haven't even heard of. Most people don't know the capitals of these countries, but at Parijat we have had a pursuit of knowledge and we've gone and learned not only the capitals but the regulatory frameworks of all these countries. We're the only Indian country present in Burkina Faso. We're the only Indian company present in the cotton tender in Tanzania. And all of this has only been possible because of a dogged tenacity spirit from inside of all of us that no, it's not enough, it's not good enough, we need to do better, we need to pursue more excellence. And I know there will be other people speaking about excellence as well as we go forward. And that's really been the motto and spirit at Parijat. So yes, I'm very proud of where we are today. I'm very proud of the 550 plus registrations we have everywhere. I'm very proud of our National Safety Award and British Safety Award winning factory. But what I'm even more proud of is the dogged tenacity that got us here in the short frame of 15 years. And which is why I say, Garv hai Parijat.